Madeira, Portugal may look small on the map, but it's huge in elevation. And that changes everything. You can have sunshine by the ocean, and clouds rolling through the mountains, in the same hour. If you're renting a car, here's the simple strategy: start early, keep your route realistic, and let the viewpoints do the heavy lifting. Madeira is not about checking off 100 pins. It's about picking a few high-impact stops, giving yourself time to soak them in, and staying flexible when the weather shifts. The best time to visit? April to June. The island is greener, spring flowers are in bloom, and the days are longer. Just remember, altitude changes the weather fast. Bring layers, keep a light rain jacket in the car, and don't be surprised if you drive through 3 seasons in one afternoon. For a first-time visit, 3 days with the car is perfect. We'll base in and around Funchal, head up to Monte for views, explore the dramatic west and north coasts, and finish with an easy Levada walk for that classic Madeira green. Before we start, 2 quick logistics tips. 1. Parking. In Funchal, street parking can be tight, so if your hotel has a garage, use it and walk when you can. 2. Drive times. Distances look short, but roads can be steep and winding. Build in buffer time, especially on day 2. Alright, let's go. Day 1, Funchal and Monte. Day 1 is your soft landing. You're getting oriented, you're enjoying the city, and you're earning the big views without exhausting yourself. Start in Funchal's Old Town. Look for painted doors, narrow streets, tiled details, and that relaxed coastal city energy. This is a great morning to move slowly, grab a coffee, take a short waterfront walk, and let the island's pace set in. If you're filming, this is where you capture textures, cobblestones, doors, small cafes, waves in the background, and little moments that make the video feel personal. Next, stop at Mercado dos Lavradores. It's colorful, lively, and full of tropical fruit and local flowers. Take a quick taste of something new if you want to. Don't overthink it. Just enjoy the atmosphere and the color. Your goal here isn't to spend the whole morning shopping, it's to get a vibrant snapshot of Madeira. Now for one of the best effort versus reward moves on the island, head up to Monte by cable car. This is one of the best view per minute experiences in Madeira. As you rise, rooftops turn into gardens, and suddenly the entire bay opens up behind you. This is also a great spot for clean, cinematic shots, slow movement, wide views, and that feeling of floating above the city. At the top, spend at least an hour in the Monte Palace Tropical Garden. In April to June, it's lush and blooming. Expect shaded paths, ponds, and viewpoint moments that make you stop talking mid-sentence. This is a nice break from driving too, because it's mostly walking at an easy pace, and it gives you that Madeira is a garden feeling. If you want something iconic, try the wicker toboggan ride. It's fast, traditional, and surprisingly fun. Even if you only do it for the experience, it makes for a great quick clip and a fun change of energy in the story. By late afternoon, head back down and keep your evening simple. For dinner, go local, try bolo do caco, that classic garlic bread, and fresh fish. And if you see espetada on the menu, order it. It's a Madeira staple. If you want a quick closing shot for day 1, film Funchal at night, warm street lights, a calm waterfront, and a relaxed end to a full first day. Day 2, West and North Coast Loop. Madeira's drives are stunning, but slow. So start early, plan intentional stops, and leave time for viewpoints you didn't expect. Today is the dramatic scenery day, cliffs, valleys, and the raw power of the Atlantic. First stop, Camara de Lobos. It's a compact fishing harbor with colorful boats and an easy waterfront walk. This is a perfect warm-up before the bigger cliff views. Grab a quick coffee, get a few harbor shots, and keep it moving. Next, Cabo Girao. One of the highest sea cliffs in Europe, Even if the glass skywalk isn't your thing, the coastline panorama absolutely is. This is where you want a wide shot that shows the scale, cliffs dropping into the ocean, terraced hillsides, and the coastline stretching out. From here, the island turns cinematic. You'll see terraced hillsides, deep valleys, and clouds drifting like a moving film set. This is the part of the drive where you let the road do the storytelling. Film the windshield view carefully, pull into viewpoints when it's safe, and prioritize the wow stops over small detours. Now head into the mountains for Funnel Forest. This is one of those places where the mood changes everything. In spring, you get bright green landscapes mixed with sudden mist. If it's foggy, it's mystical. If it's clear, it's wide, quiet, and peaceful. Either way, slow down here. Capture the wind in the grass, the shapes of the trees, and a few walking shots that feel calm and grounded. Funnel is also a great example of why Madeira is special. You can go from ocean views to a completely different world in a short drive. On the north coast, pull over at Ribeira de Janela viewpoint. This is one of those moments where you stop the car, say nothing, and just look. Big waves, rugged coastline, and a view that feels like the edge of the world. Keep your filming safe, stay behind barriers, watch the wind, and don't chase shots near the edge. Then Porto Moniz, volcanic rock pools right on the Atlantic. On calm days, this is an easy yes. Swim, relax, and enjoy the fact that you're floating in a natural ocean pool. If the sea is rough, skip the swim and simply enjoy the raw power of the coast from a safe distance. This is also a good place to grab a simple lunch and take a breather, because the first half of the day is a lot of movement. Optional stop on the way back, Seixal. Dark sand, green cliffs, a slower pace. Even 15 minutes feels like a postcard. If conditions are good, this is where you capture that classic Madeira contrast, deep green hillsides meeting the dark shoreline, with the ocean constantly in motion. By the time you're back toward Funchal, you'll feel like you saw 3 different islands in one day. That's normal. Day 2 is the big scenic push, and the secret is not over-planning the evening. Keep dinner simple, back up your footage, and rest. Tomorrow is about a quieter, greener Madeira. Day 3, Lavada Day, then choose your finish. Day 3 is Lavada Day, and this is the Madeira experience a lot of people come for. Lavada walks follow old water channels through forests and valleys, and they're one of the easiest ways to get that inside the island feeling without doing an extreme hike. Pick an easy, reliable trail so you get dense forest, flowing water channels, and a scenic payoff without committing to an all-day trek. Start in the morning, bring water, and wear shoes with grip because paths can be damp. This is where your video shifts in tone, slower pacing, more ambient sound, and more close-ups of greenery and running water. And always check trail conditions before you go. Madeira closes routes for safety, and it's not worth gambling on that. If a trail is closed, pivot. There are plenty of viewpoints and short walks that still deliver a great experience. After your Lavada, you've got 2 great options for the final afternoon. Option 1, take a boat trip from Funchal. Dolphins and whales aren't guaranteed, but being out on the Atlantic is unforgettable. Even without a perfect wildlife moment, you'll get strong visuals, the harbor behind you, Madeira's cliffs in the distance, and that open ocean feeling that makes the island feel even more remote. Option 2, keep it relaxed at Machico Beach. Calmer water, easy access, and a smooth ending to your trip. It's a great contrast to the cliff drama of Day 2, and it's a nice place to slow down, grab a snack, and let the trip settle in. So here's the rhythm. Day 1, Funchal and Monte for culture and effortless views. Day 2, West and North Coast drama, cliffs, pools, and scenery. Day 3, Lavada Green, then ocean or beach to finish. If you're visiting April to June, bring layers, start early, and plan fewer stops than you think. Madeira may be small on the map, but if you do it right, it feels endless.